Hi friends, welcome to my channel Programming with RS. Today I am going to explain you about Excel Basics Part 3, that is about cells. So let me explain what is a cell. So now I am starting Microsoft Excel. I am taking one blank workbook. Okay, so this is here the location where you are selecting on the Microsoft worksheet. This is called a cell. So by the end of this video you will come to know how to deal with the cells in different sheets and how to format it and how to create a formula. All this will be explained in this video. Please subscribe my channel for more information. Here I am explaining about the basics. Later I will discuss about the programming, VBA programming in Excel. Let us start our contents. Today's topic is cells basics. Right, so now this is called as a, here you can select one location. This location is nothing but called as a cell. It is a building, it's a basic building block about an Excel sheet where the information can be stored. So each and every cell will have its own name. How the name will be there? So here you can observe this is a D and this is a 10. So this information, whatever the information I am going to store, like if I give that ABC, the information will be stored here. So after typing the information you can keep enter key, otherwise you can have a you can click on another cell so that the information will be saved here. So if I want to save this information I can go to the Control S, otherwise I can go to the quick toolbar where it is available. So if I click then the backside window will open. Now I am saving this information onto the desktop. I am giving the naming as FOURTH. so this is a fourth sheet I am giving, and Excel 2003 workbook I am saving this time. So this is how. So the information, if I want to save it, like you can use a Control S, or otherwise you can click the quick toolbar which will save the information. So now come to this. Now you have you can store the information, different types of information here. So it is a number, so that is the reason from it's coming from right to left, here from left to right. So this information, there are many types of information it can store. It can store the data, it can store the formulas also, and even it can store the functions also. So here what is this? This is nothing but the text, right? You are entering the text. Now you can have a like the format. So you can set the format for, you can have a bold, like you can have a bold, italic and underline. So this is nothing but the format which will stores by the cell once again. And you can have the formulas also. Suppose I want to store the information from this here to, like the information of D11 to the F11. This is a formula where it will get the information from here. So if I modify the information here, that will be updated here also. So even the information we can store it in another sheet also. Suppose I am taking one more sheet, that is sheet 2. I am referring this information. So I'm taking some E1, not equal to, I am typing, going to the sheet 2. From sheet 1 to sheet 2 to sheet 1, I am using the F11. You can see that F11. So whatever the information I typed in the D11, that information will be updated in F11 and as well as the sheet 2 E1. So this is how one area, if you change the information, all the remaining locations will modify this information. So like this you can have the cells information. You can it can be used for the formula also, so linking also. So now you can go to the formula. So how to use this formula means, just here that I want to multiply the information with 100. So the information is multiplied with 100 and it is displaying. So once if I change the value here 23, the 2300 will be available here, you can observe. So it is multiplying with 100 and it is showing. Like this you can have a multi locations, like where you can store the information, where the formulas also you can use, right? So now if I see this is how, like the different, this is, it's a single cell. So this, if more than one, you can call it as a, if you select more than one, that is called as a range of cells, where you can do the many operations. You can have a control C and control V, like you are copying the information and you are pasting the information in another location. So the information will be the total information will be pasted. So by using the formulas also you can do the without using the formulas. If you want to make the copy, then I can use this control C, paste special values. It doesn't copy the formulas. Here you have the formula, so you can observe the D equal to D11 is the formula. Now you can observe that formula is missing. So how the data is been replaced? By using the paste special values, you can do that operation. So now once again you have one more thing, that is about the formats. So if you want to set this color, I want to set the color also, the background color, and I want to I want to change the color of font also, I can change. So there are different types of formats you can set on this. So this is how you can select the different colors for the font and different for the background also. You can select the total and you can select the borders, thick border, and you can have all borders. So like this you can store this you can, for the display purpose, you can have a thick border also. So as per your requirement you can change the information, right? So now let me have a different types of values, 23, 43, 56. Now I want to use it in the 2 digits. I can have a format cells. So format cells, here you have this, it is in a general right now. Now I can change it to the number so that it will be displayed with the 2 digits, right? Suppose I want to display the information with I want to display the currency, like I want to display the rupees, even I can display the rupees, right? So like this you can have a dollars information also. You can set that dollars information. So the dollars here, I can, for the accounting purpose, I can go for the dollars information, right? So this is how you can have different types of formats you can set, and even you can go for the dates. Suppose 04/02/2020. So even I can change the format cells. I can go for that March 2000, like February 2020. So like this I can change the information, like format cells. I can have a custom also. In the custom I can have this DDMMYY. So I want to display only 3 characters, then I can use it, right? So this is how. So in the custom also you can change the things like as per your requirement. So I doesn't want a hyphen. If I want to use this slash, I can use it slash also, alright? So this is how you can display the information. You can have a, suppose I want to display that YYY. So I want to display 4 characters, I can display the 4 characters also. So like this you can set the different types of formats for the date also. So if I want to modify, like there are the different types of formats you have. So if you make it the general, the value, the date value will be modified as a normal number. So normally if you do the copy paste to the a date content in the normal value, it will get the normal value. So to avoid this, you can select the date so that it will display the proper thing, right? Once again you need to select, right click, format cells, you can go to this custom and you can select that DDMMYY, so you will get the proper value. So this is how very important. So normally if you are doing the copy paste, this will happens. So this is how the one of the introduction about that the cell basics. In the coming videos I will explain more information about that the Excel basics and the advanced Excel VBA programming. Please subscribe my channel Programming with RS. Thank you.